की खूब और का बातें से टीवी।
Ktah University Meghalaya is now open for admissions for the academic year 2025. Explore our best courses and apply today. Fee concessions are available for domicile students of the state of Meghalaya.
Arsen kala feel haga prelim exam, haga sen ka balai kala yok bantho ke main exam hindi ka pil biang, haga sen ka basawpat kala pas ke exam jang ke Union Public Service Commission bat kawan haga kadan ka basan spa repo khandai. Kini ka day ka neha badwal ka IES Ophisar ka pedang apusan Snem Ktah ka batre minta Haduh. Ban pas ke UPSC exam kini ha kala ya lingba kilinti ki be haga baka haban ai tilot haga jing puli hadin ga jing pil ka balai sen kini ha kala shim ya ka rai rang ba bakan om Ktah mobile phone show bakan ai tilot de kapor haga jing puli balai Snem kinti ka Khlem Ktah mobile show ban pen kre ya ka UPSC exam kini ha badwal kade ka bana Rajasthan bat lapin he pensan ya ka Haraipur jang jela Chhattisgarh Ukpa jangkaro udeu IES Ophisar berubat kumu Senior Income Tax Officer. Nerudang red ke kuak benlong kumu ukpa, kumta, ben pen urlong ya kani gajing angnu jangka, kahap ban pulikot kumakat nyo Haduh prakanta hakashisngi. Gajing pas jangka ya ke UPSC exam, kamde ta gajing treshitom naladi, henry kade gajing treshitom lang ukpa. Ubatang shuan pai na jing tre, uhapan pun krekot yaka, hai ke subject, repair. Nang tau hinmen, ki bahinga semru ki yarap lang, ban ai jingmut yaka, yakinu ki benta, bagade ban puli. Kajiyat linti jong gane ha leksi, kan deka kubor ban ai mensim, yaki samla jongi, ki batrang ban long, kum ki IES ni IPS Ophisar.
From the hills of the east, a new voice rises. Hello, Meghalaya, our state's first ever OTT platform streaming stories, music, and dreams. From folklore to films, beats to breakthroughs, this is where culture meets creativity. Discover award-winning talents, breakthrough creators, and untold stories that deserves to be seen. From soulful podcasts to live streams and dreamers. This is your stage, your spotlight. Hello, Meghalaya. Your story starts here.